Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Chaudhrykitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today my mom will be making a pasta crispy snack, and so she will guide you through the ingredients.
मेरे पास है 150 ग्राम पास्ता.
So here she has a bowl of 150 grams of pasta.
एंड मैंने पानी को बॉईल करने रख दिया है. ये तकरीबन 1.5 लीटर है. 1.5 liter.
Okay, so she has a pot filled with water and it's like 1.5 liters.
Yes. And I'm gonna add salt, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
One teaspoon.
Okay.
And 1 to 2 teaspoon I'm gonna add cooking oil. ऐसा करने से पास्ता एक दूसरे के साथ स्टिक नहीं होता.
Alright.
ये वो जब बॉईल होना शुरू हो जाएगा फिर हम इसमें पास्ता डालेंगे.
Okay, so we're gonna let this come to a boil and then she's going to go on and add the pasta.
पानी बॉईल होना शुरू हो गया तो उसमें मैंने पास्ता डाल दिया. इसे हम पकाएंगे 7 to 8 मिनट. 75% कुक करेंगे. फुली कुक नहीं करना.
Alright. So as you guys can see, she has added the pasta and she mentioned that we're not going to cook this fully. We're going to boil this for about 7 to 8 minutes.
ये अब कुक हो गया तो हम इसे ड्रेन करेंगे ड्रेनर में. Here is go. And we're gonna rinse the cold water. वो कुकिंग प्रोसेस स्टॉप करने के लिए.
So as you guys can see, she's rinsing it with cold water.
To stop the cooking process.
Yeah.
अच्छे से वो उसे पानी निकालना है ना.
Okay, so you guys want to make sure that you're draining all the water out.
ये जाएगा बोल में.
So we're going to place it into this bowl right here.
उसके बाद इसमें जाएगा ये मेरे पास फैता चीज़ पार्मेजान चीज़ है.
Okay.
तो मैंने लिया 1.5 tablespoon.
So she's going to be adding 1.5 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese.
ये मेरे पास है रेड चिल्ली फ्लेक, हाफ टी स्पून ब्लैक पेपर and 1 teaspoon parsley flake.
Perfect.
This is all-purpose flour.
Okay. All-purpose flour. I'm going to be adding
one tablespoon.
So it was a tablespoon of all-purpose flour.
Rice flour 1 tablespoon.
Okay. So we're going to be adding a tablespoon of rice flour
And 1 tablespoon cornstarch.
Okay, so now we're going to be adding a tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're going to mix it all up.
Well.
Really well.
ये मैंने अपना ऑयल हीट अप कर लिया मीडियम फ्लेम पे. तो अब हम इसमें पास्ता फ्राई करेंगे.
Okay, perfect.
देखें कैसे उसे प्यारा सा गोल्डन कलर आ गया. तो अब मैं इसको रिमूव कर लूँगी.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. ऐसे ही हम सारा पास्ता फ्राई कर लेंगे.
So our crispy pasta snack is ready, and now we're going to sprinkle some chaat masala on this. So this is how it looks like after adding the chaat masala. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.